everybody. Today we are going to be talking about a handy little service that some of us might have to use, especially in this uncertain time of working from home during the coronavirus pandemic. Of course, everybody has been talking about this all over the world, and so why shouldn't I? Well, of course, I am going to be talking about it, but I'm going to be talking about a specific little issue that sometimes we might have to deal with while we are working from home during anything. It doesn't have to be a pandemic or anything, but when you're working from home and you're talking with other people, it's if you want to use extra cryptography, go for it. But a lot of the clients don't want to deal with that. So this is another option that you can go with that this website does not cover. And it's probably a little bit more advanced, and it's definitely a little bit more, even more secure than this website. But this is actually pretty nice. So you just put in a note in here. You can see like you need to share a login, and you're just not too sure about email or a text or anything along those lines. Bookmark this page and use it. Okay, one time or 1ty.me. Anyway, have a good day. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon.